couldn't open it this morning. It was raining. Took a while to wake him up and let him know the Catio was open, and he's excited. Aren't you, Revis? Go on out. It is wet out there. It's up to you if you want to be out there or not. It's wet, but it quit raining. And here comes Fuzzy. He might go too. Right, Fuzzy? Or he just wants attention. Oh. Becca? Catio? Nakia? Okay. Well, at least Revis, who's begging for it all morning. Oh, I think Fuzzy will join us. His buddy. Join his buddy. Let's see him go out too. Well, he's thinking about it. It is wet out there. Revis is the bravest so far. Fuzzy's not so sure.